Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Rocket Mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Rocket Mortgage account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in rocketmortgage.com and make a search. It will take you to the official page of Rocket Mortgage account. Now tap on Sign In option at the top right side of the page. You will end up on the login page of Rocket Mortgage account. Enter your username and password associated with your Rocket Mortgage account and tap on Sign In. Tick mark on the box that says Show Password to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your username or password, click on Forgot Username or Forgot Password link. This is how you can log into your Rocket Mortgage account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.